TOEFL Review Exercise, Skills 1 through 6. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short dialogue and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
The apple pie sure looks good.
Let's have some of it.
What does the man suggest? Number 2.
How much time is left on the test?
You have about 30 minutes.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I think we should pay the bills tonight.
So do I.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
Are you going to plant the new rose bushes today?
Yes, after I weed the tomato plants and cut the bushes around the yard.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 5.
Did Carla pass the statistics exam?
Not exactly.
What does the man say about Carla? Number 6.
What can I get for you?
A sandwich and fries to go, please.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 7.
Doesn't the lake look beautiful from here?
Let's go down for a swim.
What does the man suggest? Number 8.
Do you think Peter answered your questions honestly?
I'm sure he expressed his true feelings.
What does the woman say about Peter? Number 9.
A cold drink would taste good now.
I'll say.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
Do you think the lawn should be watered?
It hasn't been watered in weeks.
What does the man imply?